A secure cold storage hardware wallet is a key component of crypto safety. But when you're building a diversified portfolio, one of the first questions you have to ask is, what coins can I actually hold on this thing? The great news about the ELLIPAL Titan is its massive asset support. It's built to handle major coins, popular altcoins, and thousands of other tokens across numerous blockchains, all from one device. The ELLIPAL Titan supports over 40 blockchains, which translates into support for more than 10,000 different coins and tokens. This includes all the essential cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL, and XRP. Beyond the major players, you get compatibility with popular Layer 1 and Layer 2 solutions such as BNB Chain, Polygon, Matic, Polkadot, DOT, Cosmos, Atom, Litecoin, LTC, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Dogecoin, Doge, and Tron, TRX. Crucially, the Titan support extends to nearly all ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum network and all tokens on other supported chains like the Solana ecosystem. This means your stablecoins like USDT and USDC, and all those smaller altcoins, are easily managed. Whether you're holding blue-chip crypto, staking your assets, or exploring different DeFi tokens, the ELLIPAL Titan offers the flexibility and security you need. Do you know what kind of portfolio you'd build with this many options? Let us know your top 3 coins in the comments below.